All right, guys, let's take a look at Howie's pick for Cash Daddies 105. Uber, 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 Uber. We are looking at the weekly level, and we have been in a downtrend channel since about 2021, early 2021. And it looks like we're starting to potentially turn around here we got some higher lows down here, a huge candle, green candle, aligned with some massive volume, driving behind it, which is always a plus. Well, technically, I guess a requirement. But anyway, this candle pushed us back above the shorter term moving averages, the 8 and the 21 moving averages. And we have just recently had those moving averages cross over. So 8 crossed over the 21. We broke up, hit that channel resistance, sold off, pushed back down into that crossover, right? And this looks like it wants to be support. We closed above, so we closed last week above the channel resistance. Now that's not, necessarily a major indication at the moment, but you can see historically we've typically sold off with some wicks at resistance, right? So now we have a close above that. So what I would be expecting is, for this to start moving, for this to break out of this channel. It could hit some resistance with the 50 moving average here and the 100 in orange there. We have a potential new trend line here that we've just outlined, because we'll probably hit resistance, pull back, and retest something like this. Let's just see. What do we got here? We got this. So yeah, that will probably align with that fairly, decently with that moving average there. Potentially sell off, retest down into here before breaking higher like that, right? So that's what we want to be watching for. That's the trend, kind of the trend swing pattern, right? If you're doing calls and you're doing short-term calls, you're just trying to, make some percentages over a few days. You might have a different play at the moment, but you could, if you wanted to be more conservative, wait for this pullback, the retest, and then bounce up into these higher levels here. So Uber generally looks pretty good. Remember, we've been at the weekly level. That was a weekly level analysis, so a little bit kind of medium term. So far, so good. I would like to see the Uber price get above this 100 moving average, so that we're north of all the moving averages. That will most likely not happen until we've retested this channel breakout, right? So breakout, retest, bounce, and then we get above the moving averages, and then we're bearish. That's bullish. That's bullish territory. My bad, not bearish. Cool, that's Uber. Nice one. For Howie's pick 105, give a like, subscribe. Appreciate the support, and we'll talk soon. Peace.